AVI.
Namaste, good morning, greetings to all. Welcome to AVI.
Welcome to AVI's Now Session Season 2. Season 1 was a huge success as we can see. But because the pandemic has led to a dramatic loss worldwide, the COVID-19 has affected the lives of people over the globe. We took a pause, but now we're back with our unstoppable journey ahead.
We are here to have fun,
to explore gratification, laughter experience, and success.
दी इन सब का मतलब क्या है? Okay, we are going to show who are called avians.
So many things are there in a row today, like news session, culture events, games winning, and much more.
Oh, इतना कुछ? सुनादी बस करो बताना. It's time for दिखाना.
Nice, Charvi, not bad.
Thank you.
So next, moving to our first section, which is News AVI. जनता की आवाज ने student of class 11th asked some questions to the public and
क्या क्वेश्चन थे सुनादी?
छोटा पैकेट, आप बहुत सवाल पूछते हो. चलो देखते हैं कि क्या क्वेश्चंस थे और क्या आंसर आए. और आपकी क्यूरियोसिटी को देते हैं पूर्ण विराम.
दी व्हाट इज कॉल्ड पूर्ण विराम?
हे भगवान, इसको चुप करवाना बहुत मुश्किल है. मैं ट्राई करती हूँ और आपको लेके चलते हैं जनता की आवाज की ओर.
Hello everyone, myself Nipun from class 11 AV International Public School. So today we are here outside the school to ask from the people that how mobile phones change our lifestyle. और लोगों से यह भी पूछेंगे कि मोबाइल फोन्स ने बच्चों पर क्या इफेक्ट्स डाले हैं. तो आइए पूछते हैं. नमस्कार सर, आपके अकॉर्डिंग मोबाइल फोन्स ने बच्चों पर क्या इफेक्ट्स डाले हैं?
बच्चों पर इफेक्ट नहीं कहेंगे हम, साइड इफ़ेक्ट कहेंगे. बहुत साइड इफ़ेक्ट हैं. बिल्कुल छोटे लिटिल बच्चे हैं जो उनको दूध पीते टाइम जो मोबाइल दिखाया जाता है कितना हार्मफुल है. उनके माइंड वॉश हो रहे हैं. वो सिर्फ मोबाइल में ध्यान है, उसको दूध का पता ही नहीं लग रहा कि मैं दूध पी रहा हूँ या नहीं. उसके अलावा मार्केट में या घर पे माएँ जो बच्चों को मोबाइल दे देती हैं और वो घंटों उन पर बैठे रहते हैं और उनका माइंड वॉश हो रहा है. जो वो सिर्फ कार्टून या एक बाहरी काल्पनिक दुनिया में ही जी रहे हैं. मोबाइल की वजह से पार्क, साइकिलिंग करना या गलियों में घूमना बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. वो सब कुछ मोबाइल को ही अपनी दुनिया बनाए बैठे हैं. इसलिए मोबाइल के इफ़ेक्ट नहीं, मोबाइल के 100% साइड इफ़ेक्ट हैं.
इसके बेनिफिट्स तो हैं ही. देखो, आप सभी को पता है कि मोबाइल से बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट हैं. हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक बहुत ज़्यादा तरक्की की तरफ जा रहे हैं. लेकिन साथ साथ एक बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान भी है मोबाइल्स के. जैसे कि हम अपने बच्चों के ले लें या खुद पे अपना टाइम ले लें, तो एक मोबाइल आपने निकाला तो एक टाइम देखने के लिए, लेकिन हुआ कि आपने टाइम देखा नहीं, सोशल मीडिया पे चले गए. व्हाट्सएप देखा, इंस्टा देखी, फेसबुक पे देखा, तो आधा पौना घंटा कब निकल गया हमें पता भी नहीं चलता इस चीज़ का. तो एक टाइम स्पेंड भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं. हम बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें अपने यही टाइम हम अपने अगर टारगेट पे लगाए जाएँ तो इस चीज़ से बहुत बेनिफिट मिल सकता है. बच्चों की जहाँ तक बात है तो बच्चों को इस चीज़ के बेनिफिट भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं और साथ साथ नुकसान भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. लेकिन अब कोरोना टाइम के बाद जूम मीटिंग्स पे जैसे अपने स्टडी आने लगी हैं, इनके सिलेबस आने लग गए हैं, तो स्टडीज़ भी अपने बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो इन चीज़ों का बहुत ज़्यादा एक बेनिफिट भी है और नुकसान भी है. बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा मोबाइल्स की तरफ जा रहे हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम, पहले बच्चे प्ले ग्राउंड्स में खेलने जाते थे, बाहर खेलते थे, अब मोबाइल्स पे गेम्स खेलते हैं. स्टडी की तो बहुत दूर की बात है, मोबाइल से बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करने लग गए हैं. तो देखो, नुकसान तो चीज़ों के हैं ही.
बच्चों के बेटा मोबाइल में बहुत फ़ायदे भी हैं, नुकसान भी है, दोनों बातें ही हैं. बच्चों में फ़ायदा ये है कि मतलब एक तो बच्चे की पढ़ाई मतलब सॉल्व हो रही है पहले से. बच्चा अगर छुट्टी पे है तो उसको सारा काम मिल रहा है ऑनलाइन, मतलब वो बच्चा क्लासेस लाइव कर सकता है. तो इसलिए उसका फ़ायदा भी है. और बच्चों का नुकसान ये है कि बच्चे जिद करके कई बार मोबाइल चलाते हैं, उसका आंखों पे भी असर है. कोई भी मेहमान आता है तो बच्चे अपने काम में लगे होते हैं, उसको मतलब कोई पता नहीं कौन आया और कौन गया. बच्चों को इससे नुकसान भी है.
क्या हुआ चार्वी?
मम्मी पहले ही फोन के लिए बहुत डांटती थी, अब तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं देंगी.
It's okay, Charvi, but we should keep it in mind that inventions are for betterment.
Right.
So let's move to our next session, that is News AVI.
To have glimpse of events, project organized and held in AVI in term 1.
नमस्कार.
एवीआई न्यूज सेशन में आपका स्वागत है.
AV International School keep itself ahead in all the activities of academics and self-built ones like games, quizzes, dances, personality development, and many, many more.
Our core values are intensive learning, excellent teachers, favorable atmosphere, social and academic development, and that all the parents seek for their wards because every child deserves the best education. The session started like every year to help every child to achieve their best. The students of the junior wing enthusiastically participated the mantra reduce, reuse, recycle with the activity to show and tell. Tiny tots of junior wing expressed themselves with confidence and appropriate props. The students were engaged in activities to show their love and respect for Mother Earth.
Investiture ceremony 22-23 was held on 26th of April and elected head boy and head girl and other prominent designations of the four houses respectively. They took a pledge to follow rules and regulations with great sincerity and determination.
Devotion and reverence makes a student disciplined and docile. Responsibility towards its institution makes him ready for the future.
The day that recognizes the sense of mother was celebrated with overwhelming spirit and merriment. The day we cannot afford to miss. AVIPS always regard to this unpaid but unequal designation who work 24/7. Keeping the same in mind, AVIPS organized Mother Day in a very special way to make them a part of this event.
Mothers performed with their kiddos by holding their hands on the stage, which poured smile on everyone's face. Heartwarming celebrations filled the air with intimacy, gratitude, and appreciation all together, because mothers are the direct door to paradise simply. A short glimpse of huge fun and learning together in the Summer Camp 2022.
Slides in skates, moves with dances, paint movements with rainbow colors, learn balance and dedication through gymnastics. That's all about creating lifetime, mesmerizing, deep, insightful experiences in each and every millisecond, even during the summer camp. The summer camp was organized in both senior and junior wing.
On 26th of July, every year this day is celebrated on the honor of Kargil war in our nation.
This day is celebrated to pay the tribute to those persons who sacrificed their whole life just because of us, aiming for our peaceful life. The school organized an exciting and knowledge-boosting venture, the Science Quiz Competition, on 27th of July 2022.
It was held to boost the habit of learning independently.
Cute Chhota Packet Poets performed in the rhyme competition on 29th of July 2022 with great zeal and zest and showed their confidence, expressions, and moreover, they enjoyed this thoroughly.
Every masterpiece demands hard work, determination, courage, dedication, and much more. And our kiddos proud of the fact that they have power to rise beyond imagination.
To switch dreams into reality, it is proved with the huge success of Kala Utsav, which was held on 6th of August 2022. Along with the inauguration ceremony of the Botanical Garden, the whole school was honored to have dignitaries Dr. Shameem Sharma as the chief guest, Mr. Girja Shankar as the guest of honor, and the whole event was led by our chairperson Mrs. Sunita Setia and principal ma'am Mrs. Neetu Madan.
In the row, the students took visit to the Botanical Garden on 9th of August for the experience learning. Nature is a powerful teacher and there are so many things that kids can learn through hands-on our experience.
On 15th of August, the most remarkable day of India is celebrated, that is the Independence Day. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which is based on 5 themes: freedom, ideas, resolve, achieve, and actions. This year remarks 75th Independence Day to make the memories of all the people who sacrificed their life for the nation. May the spirit of freedom lend us all the success and glory in life. our respected principal ma'am urged the young generation to make India social problems free, such as dowry system, illiteracy, unemployment, drug addiction, and the list is endless. She said that students are the nation builders. They can change the root cause stereotype thinking with their new vision. 18th of August marked the Janmashtami, the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna, the 8th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Little children appeared in the role of Nutcut Krishnas and cute Radhas. Principal Ma'am gave a message that how Lord Krishna conquered evil and with strength and intelligence. Do not expect results. Just do your karma only. Stay silent when in dilemma. Would keep a smile on your face to handle every obstacle in life with smile, strength and courage. Our sports appearance on the district and state level with a great entry in the tournament with a huge number of participation and procurement was heart-throbbing. The list is endless, but the first position in Kho-Kho girls under 17 in zonal, third position in Kho-Kho girls under 14 in zonal. Lavish, class 11 student selected in district cricket team. Dipanshi, class 6 student selected for district badminton championship. Naman, student of class 11 selected in district chess championship under 17. Rudra, student of class 10th selected in district chess championship under 17.
Commendable efforts and triumph. Gold medal in district level chess championship, Naman Sachdeva and Rudra, selected in state level chess championship. A long series of victories has just started. Gold medal in boxing on district level championship under 14 and selected for state level. Shivam, student of class 6th, gold medal in Taekwondo on district level championship under 14, weight category 38 plus, and selected for state level. Mona, student of class 7th, gold in gymnastics, acrobatics girls on district level championship and selected for state level. Archie, student of class 8th, Garima and Kanishka, students of class 6th, gold in gymnastics, acrobatics, boys on district level championship and selected for state level. Aditya, Paras, Raghav, students of class 9th, silver medal in gymnastics, acrobatics, boys on district level championship. Shahbaz, Jatin, Harsh, Rehan, students of class 9th, silver medal in state level gymnastics, acrobatics championship held in 55th Haryana State School Games Tournament at Ambala. Success speaks about hard work and dedication of a student and teacher as well. Dipanshi, student of class 6th, selected for state championship, Haryana Badminton Association. Hard work always pays off. Tisha, student of class 11th, won silver medal in district judo championship under 19. Karina, class 7th, won bronze medal in district rifle shooting championship.
Success is obvious when roots are strong. This is a glimpse of our teachers' hard work from the very initial stage of new sapling to grown-up trees. These students enter the school holding their parents' hand and at the age of 3, and the school hold their hand and heart to bring out the best in them. Mr. Jarshan Grover, Mr. Anshul Bajaj and Mr. Mahir Taneja qualified JEE Mains and Advanced 2022. School management is privileged and proud simultaneously while honoring these precious gems of AV International Public School Sirsa. It's over for now. See you in the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.